Good day students, this is mathematics class for grade 8, chapter 1, rational numbers. In the last class, we learned the meaning of rational numbers and the three properties of rational numbers. The properties were closure property, commutative property and associative property. So today's class, let us learn in detail about distributive property. Now what is this distributive property? Suppose I have a number 7 into y plus 2. I will multiply 7 with y and 7 with 2. So I get 7 into y, that is 7y, plus 7 into 2 is 14. So this is distributive property. Now let us check this property in rational numbers. Now let us first check the distributivity of multiplication over addition. So let me take an example here. In the place of 7, we'll write a rational number 2 by 3 bracket. In place of y, I will write 3 by 6. Then plus, in place of 2, I will write 2 by 4 equals to, then I will multiply 2 by 3 with 3 by 6 and 2 by 3 with 2 by 4. So I get 2 by 3 into 3 by 6 plus 2 by 4 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 4. Now let us solve the LHS part. This is LHS and this is RHS, left hand side and right hand side. So here 2 by 3, let it be as it is, and let us solve what is there inside the bracket first. Here two rational numbers with different denominators are first added by taking the LCM of these two denominators. So let us take the LCM of these two denominators. We have studied the LCM method in class 7. That is 6 and 4. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Then I get 3 1s are 2 1s are. So I'll get 2 3s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. So I have to multiply this. 2 into 3 into 2 is 12. So 6 how much are 12? 6 2s are. So 3 2s are 6 plus 4 how much are 12? 4 3s are. So multiply here, you get 2 3s are 6 is equal to, here I will cancel out this. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3 1s are, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are and 2 1s are. So 1 by 3 is left here, plus here 1 by 3 into 1 by 1 is again 1 by 3. So first let me add this up. 2 by 3, then 6 plus 6 is 12 by 12 is equal to, here I've got 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Here I've got two rational numbers with the same denominator. So we need to add this. So how to add these rational numbers with the same denominators? We have to add the numerators by keeping keeping the denominators same. So I have to add the numerators, that is 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by keeping the denominators same, that is 3. So here LHS, this gets cancelled out and it is left with 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. So here LHS is equal to RHS. Did you get this? LHS is equal to RHS. So here distributive property is applicable for addition. Okay, this is over addition. Now let us check with subtraction. Let us check with subtraction. So we have, this is distributive property over subtraction. So the numbers 2 by, take the same numbers, 2 by 3 bracket 3 by 6. Since it is subtraction, I put the minus sign here. Then 2 by 4, which is equal to, multiply now, 2 by 3 into 3 by 6 minus 2 by 3 into 2 by 4. So here let us solve LHS part. 2 by 3. Once again, here we need to use the LCM method and we get 12. So 6 how much are 12? 6 2s are, so 3 2s are 6 minus 4 3s are 12. So again it is 6. Close the bracket. Here 2 1s are, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are, 3 1s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are, 2 1s are. So here I will get 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So here the LHS part 2 by 3, 6 minus 6 is 0 divided by 12, which is equal to, here 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is 0, isn't it? Yes. So here 0 by 12 is once again 0, it is equal to 0. So 2 by 3 into 0, any number multiply with 0 is 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. So here distributive property is applicable for subtraction. Did you get this, students? Okay. In the next class, let us study the next topics, that is the role of 0, the role of 1 and the reciprocal in detail. Thank you, students.